Hello everyone. What is the average salary of a cleaner in Morocco? The estimated average annual gross salary is $3,900, or roughly $325 per month. After deductions, the average net salary is $3,627, or about $302 monthly. In Casablanca, the average annual gross salary is higher at $4,602, or roughly $384 per month. The average net salary there is $4,280, or about $357 monthly. This city difference can come from higher living costs and more hotels, offices, and businesses. Experience, cleaning skills, and work shifts can also affect pay. Entry-level cleaners usually earn less, while senior cleaners may earn roughly double in some workplaces. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.